Hello Nancy, good evening. It's currently 10:11 p.m. I just finished my last class, and this is a summary of what we did yesterday, Wednesday. Okay. So mittens, the mittens, it's like the gloves, but you don't separate the fingers. Okay, it's like the thumb and the remaining four fingers. The gloves, every finger is separated. Okay. So appreciate is a very common verb we use in American English. I really appreciate your help. I appreciate you coming here. I very appreciate hosting me and my family, this kind of stuff. Your gift. Okay, so you see the value of something and you communicate it. The hobbies. Americans are very into hobbies. They love that. It can be sport, it can be making furniture, carpentry, this kind of stuff. So it's an activity done for fun, not for money. Many Americans, they love the aspect of making a living while doing something fun that you appreciate. So it's also a desired way to spend time and relax. Okay. Now, to reflect is to think about something important. You can also have the reflection of your face, okay, into the water, on the mirror. So the mirror reflects your image. The sun can also be reflected, so reflect the sun. So the reflection. We can also mean like to reflect on something, that means to think. To think about the past, to think about something done, okay? To reflect on something, so to, I think I wrote it somewhere. To reflect about something that happened, to reflect on something, to reflect upon something, that can be the present or the future here. So you reflect about something that happened, okay? Think about the past, that happened in the past, to reflect on my actions, okay, or different situations, okay, and we can also reflect on, let's say, your performance, or your performance reflects on you, positive or negative. Either gives you a good image or a bad image. Superstitions. Superstitions, it's a very interesting thing because many people are superstitious. They are afraid of attracting bad luck. So superstition is like you don't do something because otherwise you're going to attract bad luck. Like, for instance, my dad doesn't like to put a hat on the bed because, according to his family, it's bad luck. Okay, so he's a very intelligent guy, but he still believes in the grandma's tale. So now we also have the vocabulary of the kitchen vocabulary. So the kitchen vocabulary is a wok. A deep pan, usually used for cooking Asian food. Frying pan, like a wok but not as deep. Whisk, or to whisk, it can be the noun or the verb. Usually used to mix liquids. A spatula, can be a wooden spatula, plastic. This one is more like you get rid of the sauce from a blender or a food processor. Tea bowl, used to make loose leaf tea. Potato peeler, we just say peeler. Toaster, cutting board, casserole pan, brownie pan, baking pan. Spaghetti strainer is more like just strainer, used to drain noodles, meat, vegetables, etc. The cookie sheet, flat metal pan used to bake cookies, bread. The pizza tray, well, we used to cook in this kind of a chimney, the pizzas, but now it's different. So it's a circular flat metal pan used to bake pizza. Microwave, a pizza cutter, very useful. Circular knife used to cut pizza. A can opener. Thermos, an insulated cup used to keep drinks hot or cold. A Tupperware, plastic containers with lids used to store extra food. Two more, cookie cutters used to make shapes out of cookies, jello, etc. Measuring cups, used to measure ingredients when baking. Okay. And we had also the rolling pin, the baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, the stove. So first the oven, and it's here. The stove, and the broiler is here to keep the food warm, but I don't see really the use. Anyways, cooking pot, tongs, the pot holder, oven mitt, mittens, ice tray, etc. So we're gonna continue the kitchen vocabulary with a different exercise tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. You have a good night, a good evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Take care, Nancy. Bye-bye.